In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where videos are not playing on Messenger. So the first thing we're going to do is just open up the settings application on your phone, click on Wi-Fi from the list of options, and just ensure that you have a strong and stable connection to the internet. Now from here, you can come back over to the main settings page and you can try turning on the airplane mode and then waiting a couple of seconds and turning this back off. And then you can head back over to your Messenger application and check to see if that solved your issue. Now, if it's still not working, then head back over to the settings application, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click on apps. Scroll down again until you see the Messenger application and click on this. And just ensure that the microphone and camera is turned on and enabled. And you also want to make sure that background app refresh and also mobile data is turned on and enabled. And then you can head back over to Messenger and check if that solved your issue. If it's not working, head back over to the settings page, scroll down and click on General, click on iPhone Storage, and then scroll down until you find the Messenger application and click on it like so. And then just press Offload App and click on Offload App. Now, once that's finished, you can click Reinstall App. And then once we've done that, we're going to come back over to the main settings page, click back on General, scroll down and select VPN and Device Management, and just ensure that you're not currently connected to any VPNs. This is another reason that can stop videos from playing on Messenger. Now, once you followed all of these steps, that should have fixed any playback issues you're experiencing. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.